The world. The world is covered in trash. The upcycling trend is on the rise. And so today we're gonna find out three chairs made from trash that you cannot afford. Actually, the last one maybe you can afford and maybe you should afford. Stay till the end so you can find out, yeah, an amazing chair that is actually only $1,000. Let's go. Trash, junk, sawdust. Sawdust? Sawdust, excuse me, I'm Italian. Things most people throw away, but some designers, they build thrones out of it. And they sell them for the price of a used Mercedes. That's a good one. Well done, ChatGPT. So, piece number one, which is the one that started everything. Printed Nature by Harry Thaler, presented at the Milan Design Week 2024, made from Econit wood, recycled the sawdust, plus a biodegradable binder. This chair is 3D printed. The price... Piece number two, Salvage Series by Jay Sae Jung Oh. Trash used, plastic toys, electronics, and overall junk. She builds a rough structure, a shape for a chair, then she wraps the entire thing by hand in thick raw leather cord. The wrapping takes weeks, there's no glue, no reveal of what's inside. Just this intense, secret-looking sculpture with something weird lurking underneath. These chairs have been shown at SF MoMA, Copperhewitt, and Elite Design Fairs, and regularly sell for 20 to 40K. Ooh, and she also did a black edition and one edition with jute instead of leather. So for our vegan friends, there is an option. And we reach number three, which is the Ombak Chair by Sungai Design, which is under the umbrella of Sungai Watch. They're basically the same thing. Sungai Watch cleans every day rivers of Bali and Java, I think, other islands as well. And so they have a bunch of trash that they collect every day, and they found ways to upcycle this trash into really cool stuff. For example, this chair, which goes only for $1,000. Well, that's it for today's video. Sustainability can no longer be just a trend, and design should embrace it fully. And let me know if it's interesting to you, because there's a bunch of other designs that will deserve an episode too. Bye bye.